Let's go to page 176 and let's do number 236. Okay, number 236, you have this shape right over here. You got A, B, C, D, and this is a right angle. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate. Sometimes it's easier to separate into triangles, so easier to see. Okay, so this is A, B, C, and this is B, C, D. Okay, so it says AC equal to BC, so AC equal to BC, and CBD is isosceles triangle with CB equal to DB. And AC and BD means AC at a right angle. If angle A equal to 57, and you're looking for angle D. Okay, so if this is 57, by looking at this triangle of it, because it's isosceles triangle, so this will be 57. And so 180 minus 57 will give you 66. Okay, so this is a 66 right over here. Okay, and again, this is a right angle. So if this is 66 and this is a right triangle, this would be 24. Okay. And so once you get this angle is equal to 24, you transfer right over here. Okay. And again, this is isosceles triangle, so you use 180 minus 24 and divide by 2. So angle D will equal to 180 minus 24 and divide by 2. Okay, because again, this is isosceles triangles, so minus 24 will equal to this 2 and divide by 2, you get that. So angle D will equal to 78 degrees. Okay, let's go to 237. You got A, B, C, D, and your angles are X, Y, Z, W. Okay, and you're looking for, okay, you solve for X in terms of Y, Z, and W. Okay, so if you just look at this quadrilateral, so the sum of the angles in the quadrilateral equal to 360. So that means X plus Y plus Z plus the reflex angle of BDA equal to 360. Okay. Now BDA in terms of W, okay, BDA plus W equal to 360 because it's a circle, right? So X plus Y plus Z plus, so BDY equal to 360 minus W. Okay. And so this will cancel out and you move things over. So X will equal to W minus Y minus Z. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to 238. You have this trapezoid, and you have A, B, C, D, and it trisects. Let's skip it. And so this is x, 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 and this is y, y, y. And this is F, and this is E. And so you're looking for this angle right over here. And also it's giving that this is 110, and this is 100 degrees. Okay, so these are same side angles, so same side angle equal to 180. Okay, so if this is 110, this would be equal to 70. Okay, so again, 3x plus 110 equal to 180. So same side angle is 180. So 3x equal to 70. Same thing over here. You get 3y plus 100 equal to 180 degrees. And then you get 3y equal to 80 degrees. Now if you look at this triangle over here, okay, you have the angle AFD plus 2x plus 2y will equal to 180. Okay, so angle AFD will equal to, and you from here can go and solve y equal to 80 over 3. Over here the x equal to 70 over 3. So you can substitute into here. So you got 180 minus 2x. So 2x would be 140 over 3. 2y would be 160 over 3. So angle AFD will equal to, okay, so this would be, so it'd be 180 minus 300 over 3. Okay, 140 and 160 is 300. And so 300 over 3 is 100. So angle AFD equal to 80 degrees. Okay, let's go to 239. Okay, you have a square. And an equilateral triangle. Okay. And so this is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and you're looking for the angle AED. So you're looking for this angle right here. Okay, so again, this is a square, so every side would be congruent. And this is equilateral, so every side would be congruent. So now if you look at this triangle here, this would be isosceles triangle. And this angle right over here, this angle would be 90 and 60, so it would be 150 degrees. So this two angle would be equal to 30, and so this would be 15 and 15 degrees. Okay, so just using your basic geometry. Okay, so angle AED equal to 15 degrees. Okay, because again, this is isosceles triangle, and this is 150, so these two would be equal, and therefore have to be 15 and 15. Okay, let's go to number 240. So you have this picture over here, so you have the R, V, T, S, U, and Q. Okay, and tells you that R equal to 36 degrees over here. and t equal to 42, and you're looking for angle RQV, RQV. So you're looking for this one right over here. Okay, so from this we can find other information. We can find the arc. Okay. What else do we know? Oh, okay. So if this is 36, this is the inscribed angle. So this would be a 72. Okay. And if this is 72, we can find this over here. Okay. Because if the vertex is on the outside, this would be half of the difference. Okay. So RU minus 72 over 2 equal to 42. Okay, so this minus that, half of that will equal to that. So RU minus 72 equal to 84. So arc RU equal to 156. Okay, so this is 156 degrees. So once we know these, then we can find out the Q, the angle. Okay, so we can find this angle. So because the vertex, if the vertex in the inside, then it would be sum and then half, right? Okay. So angle RQU, okay, will equal to 156 plus 72 over 2. So again, because the vertex is on inside, so you add and you divide by 2. So again, angle RQU, okay, equal to, okay, you can just work it out. So this will equal to 114. So if this is equal to 114, then this would be supplementary, and so be just so 180 minus that would give you 66. Okay, so angle RQV equal to 180 minus 114, and so angle RQV equal to 66 degrees. Okay, let's go to 241. Okay, so you have this triangle here. And you have the A. B, C, D, and E, and F. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, angle A is 50, and CFD, so CFD is 110. If CE by 6, if CE by 6 ACD, okay, so these are congruent by 6, and DB is the altitude, so AC, then find angle CDF, CDF. Okay, so you're looking for this one right over here. Okay, so we can see that angle BFC, so BFC equal to 70 degrees, so this is 70. And since this is altitude, this is perpendicular, so if this is 70, this would be 20, and this would be a 20. Okay. And once you find this is 20, and then you look at this triangle over here. Okay, so angle FDC will equal to 180 minus 110 minus 20 degrees. So angle FDC equal to 50 degrees. Okay, let's go to 242. Okay, so you got A, B, C, and okay, and then you have the P over here, Q over here, so that this is congruent to this, and this is congruent to this, and this is congruent to that. Okay, so again, triangle ABC is isosceles with the base AC. Point P and Q are respectively on CB and AB, such that AC is congruent to AP, is congruent to PQ, congruent to PQ, congruent to QB. And you're looking for angle B. Okay, so since you're looking for angle B, let's call this X. Okay. Now use the isosceles triangles. So since these two are congruent, so if this is X, this would be an X. Okay. Also, another thing is that since the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, so this angle would be equal to 180 minus X. So 180 minus X and divided by 2 will give you this one here. And since this is isosceles triangle, so again this came from the entire triangle. And since this is isosceles, so this will also equal to that angle right over here. Okay. Okay. Now you use the exterior angle. Notice that this is exterior angle of these two, right? So if this is X, so this would be equal to 2X. Okay. So again, this is exterior angle equal to sum of the two remote angles. And if this is an isosceles triangle, so this is facing this facing that, so this would be also 2X. So that means this angle right over here, this will equal to 180 minus 4X. Okay, by looking at this triangle. So now if you look at these three angles, it's a straight line. So this three angle equal to 180. So you have an X plus 180 minus 4X plus 180 minus X over 2 will equal to 180. Okay, so these three angles will equal to 180. Okay, so let's see. So we can get rid of these. And so we got negative 3X plus 180 minus X over 2 equal to 0. And multiplied by 2, got negative 6X plus 180 minus X equal to 0. Move this over. So you got 180 equal to 7X. So X equal to 180 over 7. Degree. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to 243. Okay, so this one you have a circle. And you have the diameter here. Okay, so you have an A, and then you have the okay, the B is somewhere over here. Okay, and then D, and it's O, and it's C. So just draw something. Okay. Let's see, what else do we know? Okay, so AD is a diameter, and BO equal to 5, and ABO, angle ABO, this is equal to 60 degrees. So maybe let's go and fix this a little bit. Okay, so this is a 60 degrees over here, and the arc CD equal to 60. Arc CD equal to 60. Okay. Now, since the arc is 60 and this is in square angle, so this will be a 30. And if this is 30, this is 60, that means this is a right angle right over here. Okay. And so from here, and also if you to draw this right over here, since this is diameter, so this would be right angle right over here. Okay. So there are a couple ways you can do this. Okay, so if BO is 5, okay, then OA, so again, this is your 30-60 spatial triangle. So OA would be the long leg, would be 5 square root of 3. Okay, and then so this is 5 square root of 3. That means AD would be the diameter would be twice, would be 10 square root of 3. Okay. And so this would be 5 square root of 3 because CD would be the short leg, would be 5 square root of 3. And then AC would be the long leg, so times by square root of 3, so it gives you 15. Okay. And then from here, what else do we know? Okay, well, from this Pythagorean, from the spatial triangle, so AB. Okay, so BO equal to 5, so this one give you AB equal to 10. Okay, so if AC equal to 15 and this is equal to 10, so BC will equal to 5. Okay, so from these two information, then we can see that BC equal to 5. Okay. Another way to do this problem is to draw OC. Okay. And since this, if you draw the OC, then you can see that OC equal to OA because both are diameters, right? And you can see that the angle BCO, so BCO equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Because of isosceles, so this would be 30 degrees. And angle CBO will equal to 120 degrees. Okay. So again, CBO is 120 degrees. So again, this is 30, and this is 30. Okay, and if you and this, well, if this is 60, so if this is 60, it would be 120. Okay. If you don't see it, let's go and draw a bigger picture. So here's your C, here's your B, and here's O. So here's your 60 degrees. Therefore, this will be 120. Okay, and this is 30. So this will be 30. Okay, and that came from here because this is 30. Okay, so if this is 30, if this is 30, this would be a 30. And this is 60, so this is 120. And this is 30 and 120, this would be 30 also. And you can see that from here, you can see that these are congruent, therefore these two are congruent. So in other words, CB will equal to BO. Okay, use isosceles. So BC or CB will equal to 5. Okay, so again, this is another way of doing it.